Good morning students, for your math class. Today we will do chapter 11 money. Today we will do chapter 11 money. All of you know money is essential for our life. You have no money, you don't purchase anything. You know na? So money is essential for our life. First, we need money to buy things for our daily need from the market. Money is used in the form of notes and coin. We know we need money to buy things for our daily need from the market. Money is used in the form of notes and coins. So let's look at some currency notes and coins used in India. It is 1 rupees. All of you know it is 1 rupees. It is 2 rupees. It is 5 rupees. It is 10 rupees. It is 20 rupees. It is 50 rupees. It is 100 rupees. This is 200 rupees. This is 500 rupees. And it is 2000 rupees. Coin. You know this coin? I hope all of you know this coin. This is 1 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin. And this is 10 rupees coin. Okay, this is 1 rupees coin, this is 2 rupees coin, this is 5 rupees coin, and this is 10 rupees coin. We know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. We know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So 50 paise plus 50 paise we get 1 rupees. 50 paise plus 50 paise we get 1 rupees. Look at this example. Sandhya went to a shop to buy a book. She found that the cost of the book was rupees 55 and 50 paise. She gave the shopkeeper the following notes and coin. I repeat this again. Sandhya went to a shop to buy a book. She found that the cost of the book was rupees 55 rupees and 50 paise. She gave the shopkeeper the following notes and coins. 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. So 20 plus 20 we get 40. 40 plus 10 we get 50. And 50 plus 5 we get 55 rupees. Okay. Now she give him 50 paise and plus 50 paise. So her total rupees is 55 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Here rupees 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 50 paise, 55 rupees and 50 paise. 55 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. In rupees 55 rupees and 50 paise, 55 is the rupees part and 50 paise is the paise part. So here 55 is the rupees part and 50 is the paise part. I hope all of you understood. Use separate rupees and paise paired by a point or dot. When we write anything like 50 rupees and 50 paise, so we will write here 50 dot, we use dot, and 50 paise, so 50 rupees and 50 paise. Okay, now we will do exercise. Identify the notes and write the name. Identify the notes and write the name. Here I have 20 rupees. So we will write here TWENTY, 20 rupees. We write here 20 rupees. Here I have 500 rupees, 500. So we will write here 5FIVE, 500, HUNDRED, 100 rupees, RUPEES. Next, here I have 100 rupees. So we will write here ONE1, HUNDRED, 100 rupees, RUPEES. Next, here I have 200 rupees. So we will write here TWO, 200, HUNDRED, 200 rupees, RUPEES. 200 rupees. Next, here I have 10 rupees. So we will write here TEN, 10 rupees, RUPEES, 10 rupees. Next, here I have 2000 rupees. So we will write here TWO, 2000, THOUSAND, 2000 rupees, RUPEES. 2000 rupees. Next, look at the exchange done and fill in the blanks. Look at the exchange done and fill in the blanks. Here I have 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise. So total amount is rupees 2. 50 plus 50 we get rupees 1, and 50 plus 50 we get rupees again another 1. So 1 plus 1 we get rupees 2. So 1 plus 1 we get rupees 2. Okay. Next, number B, rupees 2 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 1 plus rupees 5, we get rupees 10. Sorry, I omit this line. Here I have a 10 rupees coin can be exchanged with 20 50 paise coin. 20 50 paise coin. A 10 rupees coin can be exchanged with 20 50 paise coin. Okay. Next, rupees 2 plus 1 plus 5, we get rupees 10. So a 10 rupees coin can be exchanged with 2 rupees plus 2 rupees and 2 rupees 2. Here I have 2 rupees 2, 1 rupees 1, and 5 rupees 1. Okay, now we get 10 rupees. Next, number C. Here I have 20 rupees plus 20 rupees we get 40 rupees. 40 plus 10 we get 50 rupees. So here I have 20 rupees 2, 10 rupees 1. So we get 50 rupees. Here I have 20 rupees note 2 and 10 rupees note 1. So we get 50 rupees. Okay. Next, write the correct amount. Write the correct amount. Here I have number A, 20 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 5 rupees. So total rupees here we get 30 rupees 35. 20 plus 10 we get 30. 30 plus 5 we get 35. So our total amount is rupees 35. So our total amount is rupees 35. Next, number B. Here I have 10 rupees plus 50 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 10 rupees. So 10 plus 50 we get 60. 60 plus 10 we get 70, and 70 plus 5 we get 75 rupees. So our total amount is rupees 75. So our total amount is rupees 75. Next, number C. Here I have 20 rupees plus 10 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 5 rupees. So 20 plus 10 we get 30. 30 plus 20 we get 50. 50 plus 5 we get 55 rupees. So our total amount is 55 rupees. Okay. Next, number D. Here I have 200 rupees plus 500 rupees plus 50 rupees. So 200 plus 500 we get 700, and 700 plus 50 we get 750 rupees. So our total amount is 750 rupees. Okay. Next page. Write in words. Write in words. Number A, rupees 25.50. So we will write here 25 rupees and 50 paise. 25 rupees and 50 paise. Next, number B, rupees 45.75. So we will write here 45 rupees and 75 paise. 45 rupees and 75 paise. Next, number C, rupees 105.50. So we will write here 105 rupees and 50 paise. 105 rupees and 50 paise. Next, number D, rupees 75.85. So we will write here 75 rupees and 85 paise. 75 rupees and 85 paise. Next, write the symbol form. Write the symbol form. 65 rupees and 45 paise. Here written as 65 rupees and 45 paise. So we will convert rupees 65.45. 65.45. So 65 is the rupees part and 45 is the coin part. Okay, 65 is the rupees part and 45 is the paise part. Next, 28 rupees and 50 paise. 28 rupees and 50 paise. So we will convert rupees 28.5050. So 28 is the rupees part and 5050 is the paise part. Okay. Next, 48 rupees and 75 paise. We will convert rupees 48.75. So 48 is the rupees part and 75 is the paise part. Next, number D, 135 rupees. So we will convert rupees 135. Here I have no coin. So this is the only rupees part. 135. Next 235 rupees and 85 paise. We will convert rupees 235.85. So 235 is the rupees part and 85 is the paise part. Here I have some example. Aditi bought a teddy bear for rupees 145 and a doll for rupees 54. How much money does she have to pay for this? So we will write here addition. The cost of the teddy bear 145 and the cost of the doll plus 54. So we will do here addition. So our answer is 199. Okay. And next example is subtraction. Diva's father gave her a note of rupees 200. She spent rupees 100 on buying storybook. How much money is left with her now? So we will write here amount of money Diva's father gave to her 200 and amount of money Diva spent 100. So we will do here subtraction. So 200 minus 100 we get 100 rupees. Okay. We will go next page. Add the following. 35 rupees 25 paise plus 15 rupees 15 paise. So 5 plus 5 we get 10. We will put here 0. 1 is our carry. So 1 plus 1 we get 2. 2 plus 2 we get 4. Next 5 plus 5 again we get 10. We will put here 0. 1 is our carry. 3 plus 1 we get 4. 4 plus 1 we get 5. So our answer is 50 rupees and 40 paise. So 50 is the rupees part and 40 is the paise part. Number B, 45 rupees 15 paise plus 35 rupees 25 paise. Again 5 plus 5 we get 10. We will put here 0. 1 is our carry. 2 plus 1 we get 3. 3 plus 1 we get 4. It is the paise part and rupees part. 5 plus 5 again we get 10. We will put here 0. 1 is our carry. 4 plus 1 we get 5. 5 plus 3 we get 8. So 80 rupees and 40 paise. 80 is the rupees part and 40 is the paise part. 17 rupees 50 paise plus 11 rupees 25 paise. So 5 plus 0 we get 5. 5 plus 2 we get 7. 7 plus 1 we get 8. 1 plus 1 we get 2. So 28 rupees and 75 paise. So 28 is the rupees part and 75 is the paise part. 100 plus 15 1000 100 plus 15 rupees. Here I have 0. So 0 we will get here 0 and 5 plus 0 we get 5. 1 plus 0 we get 1 and here I have no number. So we will put here 1. So our answer is 115 rupees. Next number E. 5 plus 0 we get 5. 4 plus 2 we get 6. 5 plus 2 we get 7 and 5 plus 1 we get 6. So our answer is 67 rupees and 65 paise. So 67 is the rupees part and 65 is the paise part. 100 rupees and 50 paise plus 25 rupees 45 paise. So 5 plus 0 we get 5. 5 plus 4 we get 9. and 5 plus 0 we get 5, 2 plus 0 we get 2, 1, here I have no numbers, so we will put here 1. So our answer is 125 rupees and 95 paise. So 125 is the rupees part and 95 is the paise part. Next, number G, 75 rupees 15 paise plus 12 rupees and 40 paise. So 5 plus 0 we get 5, 4 plus 1 we get 5. 5 plus 2 we get 7, 7 plus 1 we get 8. So our answer is 87 rupees and 55 paise. 87 is the rupees part and 55 is the paise part. Next, 115 plus 25 paise plus 115 rupees and 25 paise and 13 rupees 20 paise. 5 plus 0 we get 5, 2 plus 2 we get 4, 3 plus 5 we get 8, 1 plus 1 we get 2, and here I have no numbers, so we will put down here 1. So our answer is 128 rupees and 45 paise. So 128 is the rupees part and 45 is the paise part. Next, subtract the following: 45 rupees minus 15 rupees. So 45 minus 5 we get 0 and 4 minus 1 we get 3. So our answer is 30 rupees. So our answer is 30 rupees. Next, 45 rupees 45 paise and 12 rupees 25 paise. We will do here subtract. So 5 minus 5 we get 0. 5 minus 5 we get 0, 4 minus 2 we get 2, and 5 minus 2 we get 3, and 4 minus 1 we get 3. So our answer is 33 rupees and 20 paise. So 33 is the rupees part and 20 is the paise part. 75 rupees 20 paise and minus 35 rupees 15 paise. So 5 minus 0 we get 5, 1 is our carry, 1 plus 1 we get 2, 2 minus 2 we get 0. 5 minus 5 we get 0, 7 minus 3 we get 4. So our answer is 40 rupees and 5 paise. 40 is the rupees part and 5 is the paise part. Next, 120 rupees 75 paise minus 25 rupees 75 paise. So 5 minus 5 we get 0 and 7 minus 7 we get 0. 5 minus 10, here we carry 10. So 10 minus 5 we get 5. 1 is our carry. 2 plus 1 we get 3 and 12 minus 3 we get 9. 12 minus 3 we get 9. So our answer is 95 rupees. 95 is the rupees part and 0 is the paise part. Next, number E, 150 rupees 50 paise minus 120 rupees 30 paise. So 0 minus 0 we get 0 and 5 minus 3 we get 2. Again 0 minus 0 we get 0 and 5 minus 2 we get 3. So our answer is 30 rupees and 20 paise. So 30 is the rupees part and 20 is the paise part. Next, number F, 125 rupees 40 paise minus 25 rupees 20 paise. So 0 minus 0 we get 0 and 4 minus 2 we get 2. 5 minus 5 we get 0 and 2 minus 2 we get 0. Here I have no numbers, so we will put here 1. So our answer is 100 rupees and 20 paise. 100 is the rupees part and 20 is the paise part. Number G, 85 rupees 85 paise minus 65 rupees 80 paise. So 5 minus 0 we get 5, 8 minus 8 we get 0. Again 5 minus 5 we get 0 and 8 minus 6 we get 2. So our answer is 20 rupees and 5 paise. So 20 is the rupees part and 5 is the paise part. Next 165 rupees 75 paise minus 160 rupees 70 paise. So 5 minus 0 we get 5, 7 minus 7 we get 0 and 5 minus 0 we get 5 and 16 minus 16 we get 0. So our answer is 5 rupees and 5 paise. So 5 is the rupees part and this 5 is the paise part. Next, number A, Soumya has rupees 150. Her father gave her rupees 65 as pocket money. How much money she has now? Here we will do addition. Soumya had 150 rupees. Her father gave 65 rupees. So 150 rupees plus 65 rupees we get 215 rupees. So total money of 250 rupees. Now she has 215 rupees. Next, number B, Neha had rupees 85. She spent rupees 62 for buying a teddy bear. How much money does she have now? Here we will do subtract. Neha had, first we will write here, Neha had the money 85 rupees and she spent 62 rupees. So 85 minus 62 we get 23 rupees. Now she have 23 rupees. Next, number C, Manav had rupees 450. He bought a shirt for rupees 350. How much money does he have now? We will write here, Manav had the money 450 rupees. He bought a shirt for 350 rupees. So we will do here subtract. So 0 minus 0 we get 0, 5 minus 5 we get 0 and 4 minus 3 we get 1. So our answer is 100. He have now 100 rupees. Okay. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct option. Money is used in the form of both A and B, rupees and coin. So our answer is number C, both A and B. Next, number 2, dash is the symbol to represent the Indian rupees. Number B. Number B is the answer. Number 3, in rupees 85.65, 85 is the rupees part. 85 is the rupees part. So our answer is number A, rupee part. Number 4, 20 rupees and 50 paise is written in the symbol form as number B, rupees 20.5050. Okay. Number 5 and last, 20 plus 50 plus 5 we get 75 rupees. 75 rupees. So our answer is number C. I hope all of you understood this chapter. Okay, bye children. Have a nice day.